Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they don't need this bottom line of the triangle. They're going to cut these cuts with a miter saw. So select it all, they're all one group. I'm going to go to, and you could do this all grouped together, but I wouldn't. I would go group and ungroup all. And by doing that, you'll get this, and then get your shape tool. And whenever you select your nodes, if you can't select them all, we might have to turn it into a curve. So go to Object, Convert to Curve. And by doing that, it's going to let those nodes. So go right. You could do, I could take this away and then select these two and right click and break apart. And then you can take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Now, he is a woodworker. And if he wanted to find out that angle, just make sure you're on that node, and I missed it because that's really important. So should snap right to that node. And then get underneath your parallel dimension tool is your angular dimension tool. And just make sure you're on the node. And I would go pretty far down because that'll make the numbers bigger. So that is 24.44 degrees. Um, Hardly any saw would have that accuracy, but at least give him a starting point. Now, if you wanted to duplicate these guys, we could delete all these. And then group this together, Control G. Now this thing is 5 inches across, but we only really need half of it. So if it's 5 inches, it's 2.5. And let's say we want them a 1/4 inch a piece apart. And for the one I'm doing it for, set your duplicate distance on 0, 0, and this is going to be Y. So I'm going to go 2.75. And then you could Control D. And the one thing I strongly suggest, whenever you have text, you don't want to mirror it because the text could be wrong. So let's go Control D to duplicate it. I don't know why that's doing it. Control D to duplicate. It's saying I don't have the font. Well, it's controlling D. And then rotate it 90 degrees, or excuse me, 180 degrees, and then nudge it over. And see, that's going to give you that part. And then once you have that, Control D, and then just hit, I don't know, I guess that's his file. And then just move, Control D, and just move them. That's irritating. Move them twice, and then just Control D again, and you've got the same amount. But if you mirror it, your text is going to be backwards. Let's just make that example. Let's say we make a duplicate. I've never seen that before. And then mirror it. But then if we turn this thing 180 degrees, see the text is backwards. So be careful when you mirror stuff that has text on it. Anyway, hope that solved this problem, and thank you for watching.